What's up, everybody? And finally, the holidays is coming. At this special webinar, we are going to speak about Halloween, how to search the special items, what to sell on Halloween, and why we should do it right now. So let's dive in. So, guys, now it's the time. Now it's the quarter 4, the most important period for every dropshipper. And I mean that we start to earn the really big money by the dropshipping. And just before we start our strategy and what items to sell on Halloween, let's see what happened to dropshipping, e-commerce, in the last few months or even in the last year and see the potential. If I'm going real quick to Google Trends and in the topic, let's search for the word drop shipping, It's what we are looking for. We can change it for worldwide or USA. Let's do worldwide. Look, guys, from March so far, we are just growing up and growing up, and it will go on and on. If we can take the last, the last 5 years, and we still see the graph is just up, and it means for us to droppers and who was a little bit skeptic about this, that if there is a potential, if the dropshipping is die. So guys, the graph is not lying, and we see that all the potential from this amazing world with dropshipping. And even if I can write here e-commerce, or if we go straight to Statistica website and we can search for the word e-commerce, and we can see what happened since 2014 so far 2020. And again, guys, if you thought about if there is a potential, so look what the numbers show you in billions US dollars every year, how much sales was in this amazing world. And it means until 2021 we will have more sales. Of course, it's also because of the COVID-19 and the pandemic, but still 2022 and 23 it will still grow up. So now is the best time to start your own business with dropshipping. But right now I want to speak with you about the topic of this webinar, about holidays, about Halloween, of course. And if you can search on Google for the website called Time and Date, and there is you will find all the holidays in the United States in 2020, and you can see what's going on in every month. But the most important holidays for us, for the dropshippings and for our potential buyers, of course, is Halloween, which is 31 of October, which is, yeah, it will be in Saturday, Halloween, 31 of October. If you want this website, I will put the link in the description below. And why I start to speak about Halloween, and which we have still more time, like 1.5 months. But guys, if we are going to back to Google Trends again, and I will change the topic here to Halloween, and I just very curious about what was in the last 12 months, which was the last October of 2019, of course, was the peak of the searching. But if you can see right now, we are on from 9 of August till 15 of September, people start searching for items of Halloween. Do you understand what it means? It means that now is the best time to start to upload Halloween items to your store. And if we can take also the last 5 years, and we just want to make sure, is it every year like this, or maybe something special just with these years? And no, we can see the results that every year people start to searching for Halloween items between uh, end of August until the peak of the Halloween, which is end of October, of course. And every year it's like this. And of course, also this year. And right now, it's the best time to start to upload the Halloween items. And of course, we can change it to worldwide or USA just to make sure that we are searching in the right location. We can change it to USA, to Canada, whatever. And let's see. Yeah, also in Canada, but let's keep searching just in the United States because I want to see what is the keywords for the Halloween items. Like um, for the last 5 years, let's change it for the last maybe 30 days. You can see that many people still searching for Halloween items. And here we can see the related keywords for what they are looking for. Halloween crafts for kids, I don't know, free from Halloween Road, Biden, Halloween costume, something about US president. Oh, sorry, about the potential US president, I mean. And we can change it also for the last 7 days. Let's see what is the top words. Inca country Halloween, and we can use all these words. But the first method that I want to show you that you can do inside Easync, and there we have incredible tool which call Finder. I already did a webinar about Finder. I will also put the link in the description below. You will watch it in your free time. And why I came to Finder, and we are talking about Halloween. If you remember, Finder give us what sold in the last 2 weeks, which you can see here. In the last 2 weeks, for example, this item, 33 times this item sold. And guys, yes, Finder is a free tool by Easync. Everybody should use it. It's very powerful tool, incredible and very helpful. Many of our customers use it in the daily basic, which is help them to grow up them sellings. And so let's see what more powerful here in the Finder. If we are in Amazon.com right now and we are just searching for Halloween, let's search for Halloween. And voila, it gives us the results which already selling on eBay. For example, I don't know, I mean this DVD or something sold 6 times in the last 2 weeks. I don't know, it's maybe I don't know, maybe some DVD also or custom. We can always enter and check what is the item or add it to the batch and see after. Also selling 40 times in the last 2 weeks. I don't know, this hair for the custom of Halloween also. And you can choose here with batch of items. You can edit by this, like add to batch, or we can mark some items there and add all them to the batch. And we can view it here. And let's see. Okay, so this item is Vero. I'm not going to upload this item. Easync give us the best indication about Vero items, but let's check it if it's the Vero item for real, or maybe it's just the word that is dangerous to our store. Okay, I see that this item is kind of um, maybe refurbished, maybe used, but no, I don't see that it's something dangerous. So I can easily upload this item to my store, and I will maybe change the title after. I am really not sure because maybe I want to be unique in my store with this item, but definitely I'm going to add these items to my store. But if I am going to back again to the Finder, and as you can remember, I told you guys, right now we are in Amazon.com. If we are switching to, for example, Amazon UK, and again, we are still on the word Halloween, and it's going to give us the best results for Halloween, which already is selling right now, guys. Right now, this item is crazy. It's sold about 89 times. This item is more crazy, more than 300 times. This is very powerful tool. Everybody should use it and start to upload these items to the store, depend on which market you are selling. Also Amazon Canada, the same. Italy, France, and you can play with this a little bit, but we can back also right now to our Google Trends. And if you remember, I told you, let's see what is the most searchable item right now. And let's take, for example, the Halloween holographic projection. Yeah, let's take this word. Just copy real quick, and uh, we will check what's going on with this word on Amazon.com. I will put real quick the word in the search bar and start to searching. It's something about projectors, Christmas, Halloween. So, I mean, if somebody will buy this item from us, he will keep it for Halloween or also for the Christmas. So we are here in the win-win situation. And let's keep searching. Also, there is a hologram like this, which is also outdoor and also indoor use. Just make sure what you upload. And if you want to grab all these items, or you can start to enter manually one by one and just grab the async, or you can use also our Easync extension and grab all the items, and it will automatically will take all the items and go to the next page. And again, I just click on the rocket, it will grab all the items from this page and go to the next page, and then we can easily take all these asyncs and put in our store. So guys, this is pretty much what I want to show you. The most important that people start to searching about Halloween. Don't waste your time so much. Don't wait to the last moment. Start to upload your Halloween items right now, because now it's the best time to start to selling. People want to be prepared for Halloween. The COVID-19 still around us. People will stay at home and they will still order all these items for Halloween to make them life more happy. And I want to wish you happy sellings and stay safe, and see you in the next videos. Bye bye.